Hey Tallulah Falls School, my name is Sarah Lowry, and you are used to receiving my emails about weekend activities. However, what many of you don't know is that I also manage our Magnus Health account. This year, your Magnus Health account is going to be more important than ever. We're going to be using it on a daily basis to do our health screenings. I'm going to have a quick tutorial for you to show you how it all works. If you ever have any questions or need any help, you can always email me. First thing that you're going to want to do is to log into your Fax Family portal, however you normally do that. For most of you, it is probably through the school website. So you're going to go to the website and then click on Fax Family Portal. The screen is going to pull up just like this once you get logged in. You will then go to the Student tab and click on Medical. Now, because I'm an administrator, it's not going to let me pull it up, but for you, this is going to take you directly to your Magnus Health screen and allow you to be able to log in. Once logged in, this will be the screen that you see. To change your credentials to be able to log into the app, you're going to hover over your name and then click Change Credentials. You'll be able to create your own unique username and password for the app. The Magnus Health app is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Once logged into the app, you will click on your student's name, and then to complete your daily health screening, you will click on the COVID-19. The top screening, which says Daily COVID-19 Screening, is what will need to be completed each morning before 7:15 if you are a day student driver or drop-off, or by 6:45 a.m. if you are a bus rider. It is just 5 short questions, and then you hit save. Once you hit save, it will tell you if you are allowed to come to school or not. The second survey on here will only be used in the case of a positive COVID-19 test. This will have to be reported, and we will take the proper precautions from there. If you have any questions regarding the Magnus app or anything else in Magnus, please do not hesitate to contact me.